Welcome to Online Gyan Sarovar. Dear learners, today we are going to start a very important topic from writing section, and this topic is notice. Now, notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization or in a school. This notice should always be written in third person, that we have to keep in mind. Secondly, notice is always written in passive voice. It should be written in passive voice, and the sentences should be short and words should be very simple. So these things we have to keep in our mind. Now let us begin our topic notice. So first we are going to have a look at the format of notice. So on the top we are going to write name of the school, or it may be a institution, or it may be a department, maybe government or private or any other department, or it may be an organization. Now this, all these things, name of the school, institution and department and organization, this we have to write in capital letter. That we have to keep in mind. So just below this name of school or department or organization, we are going to write word notice. Word notice in capitals. Just below notice, on the left hand side, we will write date. Then we will write heading, or we can also say topic, or we can say subject also. Subject of our notice. And after writing subject of our notice, we should underline it. And while writing heading or topic, we have to keep in mind one important thing, that first letter of subject or first word in the subject, it should be capital. Secondly, our heading should have at least 4 to 5 words, not more than this. 4 to 5 words are sufficient. After writing our heading, we will write the notice in about 4 to 5 lines. 4 to 5 lines, we are going to write our content, or we can say body of notice. So what are we going to include in this body of notice? We should remember 4 things. First, what our notice should have. What our notice should have. So first I have told you that first of all we are going to put our notice in a box. That I have told you. Then when we are writing this body of notice, in this we will ask ourselves one question: what is there in this notice? That we have to keep in mind. Then where our event or that particular appeal or that particular celebration or event is taking place. Then when it is taking place, time and date, when it is taking place. Then suppose if you want to take part in it, then we have to remember who can take part in that particular event or in particular that competition. And in case we want to take part in it, to whom we have to contact. So these five, no, these five WH are there. These five WH words are there. So these five WH words we have to keep in mind and ask ourselves questions on this. And all these five things should include in the content or body of our notice. After writing these things, and these things we have to include in 4 to 5 lines, maximum 50 words. Then at the bottom left hand corner we will have signature of the person who is writing this letter. Then we will write his or her name, and then we have designation, or we can also say post of that person who is writing or issuing the notice. So I hope you have understood this simple writing section topic, notice. In the end we are going to put this thumbnails in our notice. So this is one part we have understood. Now let us take one example how to write a notice with the help of one example we are going to take. Now we can take up one question. Suppose you are Yogesh oblique Yogita of class 6th. You have lost your lunch box in the playground. Now write a notice. Now write a notice in about 50 words. Now let us see this. So what we are going to do, first we can have a box. We can keep it open from the lower side. Then first we are going to write the name of our school. So suppose the name of our school is Kendriya Vidyalaya. Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Jaisalmer. So we have written the name of our school, institution in capital letters on the top of our page. After this we are going to write this word notice. We have written in capitals. Then on the left hand side we will write date. So suppose today is 4th, so we can write down April 4th 2020. Heading, what we are going to take up? Heading that we have lost our lunch box in the playground. Earlier I have told you that we have to write down our topic or subject in about 4 to 5 words. So we are going to take up only this one, lost lunch box in playground. then we will underline it. Now here we have written L in capital, lunch box L capital, box B capital, playground P capital. So and we have written in only 5 words are there. Now let us write down. So all the students are informed that I have lost my lunchbox in the playground during interval its color is blue, it is Milton's lunchbox. Whosoever finds it kindly return me. I will give a pencil to him. Now here we are doing our signature. Then suppose your name is Yogita, no? So Yogita and student class 6th. So this you have written. We have written this notice in about 40 to 50 words. Earlier I have told you, okay, what we are writing about the lunch box. We have written where we have lost during playground, when during the in the playground and during the interval. Then its color we have told blue color. Then we have also mentioned about the company. Then we have also informed that yes, we have to give this to the me means here Yogita, or we can also write down here return to undersigned. This also we can write down. This is also right. Then you are also giving a handsome reward to the finder. You are also giving a reward to the finder. So this is a simple notice we are going to write or we are going to have in our class 6th. I hope you have understood. Now let us sum up this notice or what all we have understood with the help. We have learned notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style, conveys important information to a group of people, organization or department. Now such news items are there of some important events or happenings. This can be an invitation to a meeting or announcement of any event or competition or an appeal. It is always written in third person. This is important. Then passive voice should be used as far as possible. Sentences should be short, words should be simple. Then it should be pinned up on a specific display boards either in a school or in public places. Notices issued by an institution, organization or by the government also appear in newspaper. Yes. Now what all are included in notices? No, first of all, notice should also always be written or it should always be put in a box. Then on the top of a notice we are going to write name of the school, institution or department or organization or issuing authority. This should be written on the top in capital letters. Then we use the word notice in capital letters just below the issuing authority. Then date should be written to the left hand side in proper format. Then precise title or topic heading should be written in 4 to 5 words in the center just below the word notice. Then body of the notice should contain 40 to 50 words, and it should cover the idea, what is going to happen, when it is going to happen, who can be benefited from this information, and whom to contact. These are the 5 WH words. This we have to keep in mind. Then signature, name and designation to be mentioned in the lower left bottom corner of the notice, and name should be written in brackets. It should be in capital letters. Then format. Now format of notice. On top we are going to write the name of school, institution, organization. This we have seen. Then word notice is there in capital letters. Then date of issue is there. Then we are going to write title or a heading in 4 to 5 words. This I have told you earlier also. Then content or body of notice should be in 40 to 50 words. This is important. And at the last below we are going to put our signature, then name in capital and designation. Now let us examine example of notice. You are the cultural secretary of your school. You have been asked to inform students of class 6 to 8th about the celebration of Samrasta Divas on 14th April. Draft a notice in 40 to 50 words to be put up on a school notice board with all necessary details. Enclose the notice in a box. Now let us see how we are going to write this notice. On top we are going to write a name of our school. We have written name of our school, Kendriya Vidyalaya Air Force Station, Jaisalmer. Then just below it we have written notice in capital letters. Then on left hand side we have written date 4th April 2020. This can also be written as April 4th 2020. In this way also we can write down. Then celebration of Samrasta Divas on 14th April. This is our heading. So this we have to keep in mind that we are going to write only 4 to 5 words. This is there in this also. Then let us go through the content or body of our notice. All the students of class 6 to 8 are hereby informed that Samrasta Divas will be celebrated on 14th April on the auspicious occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti. The celebration will be held in the assembly ground during first and second period. Those students who are willing to participate in the celebration, they should give their names to the undersigned by 7th April during the school hours. Now here we have seen what is there. We have seen is what answer of what Samrasta Divas will be celebrated. When it is going to be celebrated, 14th April. Where it will be celebrated, in school assembly ground. This is the answer of where, in the school assembly ground. Then during the first and second period. Then who can participate? Students of class 6 to 8 can participate. Then if they want to participate, to whom they have to meet? They should give their names to the undersigned, means cultural secretary. By which date? 7th of April during school hours. So all these things are there. At the bottom we can say that yes, signature of secretary, then name of secretary in capital letters, and at the last post or designation. I hope you have understood this topic.